Today we're going to do a review of these home-style Angus burgers, Belmont meats. I got these at COSTCO, they were on sale. As you can see, they're juicy, colorful. I might just stick it on a bagel or something, but yeah. There you go, uncooked, so you do have to cook it. I'm going to cook it in the air fryer. And, oh, there it is, here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Protein, 21 grams, that's not too bad. As you can see, it's Angus beef, water, toasted wheat crumbs, salt, onion powder, and spices. So it does contain wheat, so be aware of that. Let's open this up. Alright, so that's what they look like. They're actually kind of heavy. But yeah, I'm going to cook one up and do a quick taste test, so stay tuned, guys. There's the patty all done. It is super juicy. You might want to dab it with a paper towel before you eat it, but we're going to do a quick taste test. As you can see, the juice has come right off of it. We're going to do a quick taste test here. That is a really juicy patty. And it is already seasoned, so you can taste the salt in it already. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please post, subscribe to the channel.